Silencium, the new interactive 3D anti-snore pillow from Sissel. Sissel, for 25 years top product quality and the natural Swedish way. Enjoy an undisturbed night's sleep at the touch of a button. Prevent snoring without medication or annoying and bulky apparatus. The Sissel brand is well known as the expert in healthy sleep, with its uniquely shaped orthopedic neck support pillows, millions of which have been sold. Thanks to its sloping form, the Sissel pillow slides easily between the shoulder and the cervical spine, ensuring that both can rest in the anatomically correct position. The neck area is supported and relieved of strain, leading to a relaxed and restorative sleep. Look what happens after you fall asleep. When the muscles in your throat relax, your tongue falls backwards. Every time you breathe, the air causes the tissue in your mouth and throat to vibrate. You start snoring. The Sissel Silencium only becomes active when the inbuilt microphone registers a snore. The relevant air chambers are quietly inflated and move your head to another position. This increases the distance between your tongue and throat, so stopping the vibrations which cause the snoring. Should the snoring not stop or be reduced, the Silencium pillow searches for the ideal position for your head, moving it slowly to the right or left, up or down. As soon as the ideal position is determined, the pillow stops moving and the head can remain there. In 2012, a test carried out in homes showed an average of 70% reduction in snoring. The largest reduction was 95%. All the participants reported being less tired in the morning and having a better and more restorative night's sleep. Snoring is of course also influenced by an individual's general state of health, alcohol intake, bad eating habits, stress, medication, and psychological condition. The Sissel Silencium pillow is a medical device Class 1 and complies with the requirements of the European Directive 93/42/EEC. For more information, please visit sisselsilencium.com. Sissel, the natural way of Sweden.